Hi friends. I had recently bought this GoPro Hero 8. So I was just checking on how to secure this, mount this on a helmet. So I bought this. There are various ways. See, this jack is actually it actually comes with the camera. You can actually fix this, but then if it is not a smooth surface, then it is slightly difficult because it's you've got only a small curve here, if you can see. So it will not fit properly. So there are lot of ways in which you can do this. Some people actually there are videos wherein this is secured using an M seal, and then you put this and then secure it. So in one such video, I came across this particular chin strap. So this I got it today from Amazon for $50. So this is how it's got two straps. Okay, you can secure it properly. So it's pretty tight. It does not move. So you can be rest assured that your camera is very safe. So now what you do is it's got a good angle also, so that you can adjust the camera this side according to your requirement. So I'll just fix it. So you can fix the camera here. Okay. And now you can set the angle, and then you can adjust it according to your requirement of how you want to shoot the video, and then secure it properly. You can tighten this. See? It's actually very secure.
Hi guys, this is my first bullet driving video using my new GoPro. Let's see how it is